Hi guys, good morning. I apologize. I was supposed to be going live today, but I'm not feeling that well. I've been sick for a few days and so I'm like, today's like the first day I can actually breathe. Sorry. And also I'm having technical difficulties, so I'm not going live today, so I apologize for that, but I will go live next week to announce the winner of the giveaway. So, first and foremost, I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving for those that celebrate. I hope you had a cozy, safe holiday. And for those that don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope wherever you are that you know how grateful I am that you come and watch my videos and practice and play with me every week. It really means the world. So yeah, thanks guys. I appreciate you. I'm very grateful for you. In my way to give back, I want to offer everyone 30% off my entire Awesome Art School selection of courses. And just use the coupon code THANKS30, written as you see it below on the screen. I also have some exciting things in my swag shop you can take advantage of, like my new t-shirt line. I have a couple things on there, but this one says, "No one gets worse from practicing more," because you know that's true, right? And I even signed them. You can see my little signature down there. So funny. And I have some fun like phone cases and stuff too. You might recognize this girl. She is literally on YouTube, and you can learn how to draw her if you go back and look through my lessons. You can find her there, so that's super fun. And the banner to buy those is actually just below this video, you'll see. And I have coupons for my swag shop, everything in my swag shop at KarenCampbellArtist.com too, just a little FYI there. All right, so let's do the drawing prompt. This is the 4th week of drawing prompts, and today I'm going to be doing scribble art, which is really, really fun. It's a great way to loosen up. It's a great way to de-stress. It's a great way to practice different ways of holding your pen or pencil to see what's more comfortable. It's supposed to look spastastic, and the results are very surprising. I think you'll be very surprised at what you can create when you're working fast and loose. And so this being our 4th prompt, you've already had a few opportunities to learn the different grid lines that help you make the correct placement for the eyes, nose, and mouth. And we're going to be doing that same thing now, but we're going to be this is a different style. And it's really, really fun, and it's really fast. It's great if you're stuck in a doctor's office and you only have like a notebook and a notebook and a pen, and that's all you have. You can practice doing this, and it's just a really, really fun exercise. So I encourage you to give it a shot. I'm going to be doing this on my favorite hammer paper. You can use cardstock, you can use just printer paper, that's fine. And my favorite pen, and I'll show you that when I switch the camera angle. And yeah, I'm going to use some Copics just for some color, but you can skip that step entirely. So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to be going over what I'm giving away next week. I want everybody to be able to enter the giveaway, which is just drop me a comment below in this video. It can't be on Facebook or Instagram. It has to be on this YouTube video, and I will announce the winner. I wanted to do it. I do want to do that live because my little IT guy, Billy, who's 12, my son, really wants to be able to help and to do this. So I'm going to announce the winner after next week's prompt, actually on Saturday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the prompts and you don't miss out on all the giveaways. I will talk more about the giveaway at the end of this video. Let's get drawing. So the point of this exercise is to free yourself. Oh, and these are my 2 favorite Scribble art pens. You can find these anywhere. The Uniball Vision Elite and the Crystal. I love this freaking Bic pen. It's 1.6 millimeters, so it has this really fat nub, and it's super smooth. You can buy these at like CVS, Walgreens, you know, Target, anywhere you can find these pens. And so I always have, and they come in this awesome like full color pack. So these are my favorite pens to do this exercise with. And this exercise is all about loosening up, okay? This is like how you practice your ovals. This is how you think less and you draw more. Okay, it's a great way to get your head out of your funk. It's just crazy fun. So I want you to have a million lines. I want you to move quickly And I know and I want you to just try to relax and not think so hard. Okay, guys? So I'm really fast and loose. What's cool about these pens is that, especially this one, the more that you, oh, what? Oh my gosh, should I use this one all up? It's not even working. The more that you scribble, the darker your lines, right? So it's just such a fun, relaxing way to work. Yes, scribble art. It is a thing. Okay. But what I'm doing in the whole purpose of this again is I'm first of all relieving a lot of stress here. Like a lot of stress. Because I'm not, now she looks insane. I don't want you to think about that. I just want you to keep going. If you think about that, you're going to stop. And that's not the point of this, isn't to stop. It's to just kind of in your head be going over the things that we're learning. Like, where is shading supposed to be? Right? Where are the... What are the important things? We have our guidelines. Guidelines are super important. All right, now this is super ugly and I'm fighting the urge to like stop the camera. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm like running out of ink everywhere. Stop the camera and just save her and make her look beautiful, but that's not the point of this. The point is to get your arms and your hands and your fingers to learn the places that they're supposed to go. It's about confidence. It's about trusting the process. It's about letting go. It's about so many things, actually. What should her hair look like? And so at this point, like, I'm just worried about, oh my god, my pen is not working. What is happening? It's about laying down values. Okay, so if I want this to be dark, I have to go over it time and time and again. And I think it's important to learn how to trust the process. Like, if I keep going, especially like if you're doing mixed media art with me, you really need to live through that ugly phase. You gotta live it, you gotta own it. And you have to be okay with it, because you're gonna go through it. So when you have a shape or an area that you are kind of coming to grips with that are okay, then I want you to go over those lines more. My pen is running out, I swear to gosh. Swear to gosh. Okay. And I want you to have fun and relax and think about Bob Ross and Karen Campbell tickling your ear with little mantras like, it's all good, and just have fun, and you know, no one ever got worse with more practice. And it's just like, I want you to play and have fun. There's so much stress in the world, right? Enough of all that. This is just playtime. And this is how we get to be better artists, is by playing and relaxing, trying things out, being in touch with our inner 5-year-olds. You know, I taught kids for a long time. And I never saw a 5-year-old walk away from a painting or a drawing crying that they didn't do a good job. Okay? That is not even in their vocabulary. No matter what ridiculousness they just made, they would walk away and come running up to me screaming, "Look at what I did! I am awesome!" And I want everybody to get back to that part of themselves when they're doing their art. Because does it really matter if this is an A grade stuff? Does it really matter that this is a crazy hot mess? No, it doesn't, right? What matters is if you have food on the table. What matters is if that we're kind to one another. That's the stuff that matters. So if you make a piece of art that is not perfect, it really doesn't matter. And what does matter is that you had a fun time. And what does matter is that you learned something. And that you practice. And that over time you can become better. So I want you to scribble this week. She looks crazy and I don't care. I want you to scribble and try new things and keeping practicing, and I want you to think that you are awesome. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that really fun little drawing exercise. Again, it's fast and furious, but you can still learn a lot and hone your skills by trying different techniques and relaxing and having fun in your practice. And I think by having fun, it encourages everybody, no matter what your experience is, no matter how old you are, what your learning background is, it encourages everybody to go ahead and practice more and keep honing those skills. Now on to the giveaway. Again, to enter, you just need to drop any comment below. It can be a question, you can write awesome, you can write giveaway, you can say yay, but you have to write something in order to be entered. What I'm giving away first and foremost are these beautiful watercolors and these are handcrafted by Xanadu Studios, and you are getting this entire little palette. Now I know these look little, but I want to stress to you and let you know how luscious and gorgeous these colors are. What you can't see in my camera also is that all of these handcrafted watercolors have this sparkle to them, which I've never seen in commercial watercolors. I absolutely love these. Margaret is the owner, and she has just what she's got going on in her studio, and in terms of making these things from scratch, and her generosity in giving little tester samples to different people so that we can try them and spread her amazing work to others. I'm very honored to be able to do so for you. So someone will be winning these, as well as a free enrollment into my Drawing Days course. So my Drawing Days course, excuse me, sorry, I told you I've been sick, is like absolutely kind of an epic course for the beginner drawer. We start off really fun doing a lot of basic Zentangling exercises, and the reason I start with Zentangling is because it's really fun. So it's relaxing, anybody can do it, but then what you realize is that the way that I teach it, I'm not like a certified Zentangler or whatever, is that the way I teach it is that we're using 3 different line weights in order to bring our one-dimensional Zentangle designs, have them a little bit more depth, have them visually appear a little bit more interesting, and using varied line weights helps to achieve that. And then we segue into using different values. We talk about the value scale, using different pencils, much like we did in the week 3 prompt, using different pencils of different hardnesses to achieve, again, also varied values. And then that translates directly into how you learn how to make your one-dimensional and two-dimensional drawn objects appear three-dimensional. So we have many different exercises to practice that using a pair, and we have different shapes, just very straightforward basic drawing lessons. And of course, we have a really fun time along the way. We also go over finding your drawing style, whether that be whimsical or realistic, and I actually walk you through step by step how to experiment with being and creating those different styles using flowers and faces, so you can experience each kind, and then that will help you to determine, well, I really like drawing whimsically and I don't care about being super accurate. Or maybe you're like, no, I really enjoy capturing the realism in something, and that's the goal that I want to achieve. And so this class is it's like a great exploratory way to find out what kind of drawer and artist you really are. And of course, honing and practicing your skills the whole time. So if you want to check that out, you can check out drawing days at awesomeartschool.com, as well as all of my other courses. And again, all of my courses are 30% off through Cyber Monday with the coupon code THANKS30. So drop a comment below if you want to be entered to win, and I will announce the winner next Saturday. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't lose out. If you win, I'm not chasing you. You got to come to me and let me know that you're the winner. So check out my swag. Take advantage of that awesome sale, and I hope you had a very safe and cozy weekend, and I will see you next Friday for the next prompt and next Saturday to announce the winner. Thanks, guys.